I work hard to keep my garden clean and beautiful. I give water to the trees and plants every day. I have a good knowledge of all kinds of trees and plants. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Kritika Vittal Jadhav. I am a third standard. My role is a teacher. A teacher is important in everyone's life. A teacher is our second parent. They help us learning new things. We should always respect our teacher. Thank you. Teacher, guiding me, helping me learn happily. Good morning everyone. My name is Anvi Ashwin Thambe and today I am playing the role of a teacher. I am your teacher. Let's learn and have a fun. Thank you.
बरोबर.
नमस्कार सगळ्यांना. माझं नाव रितिका आहे. मी इयत्ता 3री मध्ये शिकते आहे. मी आज भाजीवाली बनली आहे. भाजी घ्या भाजी, ताजी ताजी भाजी, चवळी कवळी, मिरची तिखट मोठी आणली चवीसाठी. धन्यवाद. गुड मॉर्निंग एव्हरीवन. माय नेम इज आदित्य सतीश वाघमारे. I am third A Rose. My job is keep the city clean and beautiful. My work is important because a clean city makes a healthy life. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Siddhi Amit Chitole from third Rose. I am tailor. I stitch in beautiful clothes and design. I also use sewing machine. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sanvi Vishwajit Jagtap. I am a third lavender. I am a chef. Chef is a professional cook. I am a cook food people to eat. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Deepika Rakesh Kumar. I am studying third lavender. I am a tailor. I help people to stitch their clothes. Thank you.
Very good.
My name is Aradhya Naneshwar Pawar. I am a nurse. I work in a hospital every day. I help sick people. I help doctors to save many lives. Thank you.
Yes.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shreyash Balaji Kalse. I am a farmer. I work in a farm and grow grain for you all. You feel that the farming is small work, but it is not easy to do. I work hard in summer, winter and rainy season. Thank you.
Very good. Very nice.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tatua Haugirao Chandapure. I am a soldier. I am brave and strong. I fight for my country. I am member of Indian Army. I love my country very much.